In this video, I'm going to show you how to bet using DraftKings. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, or open up the App Store if you're on an iOS device. Afterwards, please go to the search bar and look up DraftKings Sportsbook. You will need to start off by installing the app right over here. Now keep in mind that this is adults only and it is available in all 50 states, but of course you want to make sure that you do meet the age eligibility. Now when you load into DraftKings, the first order of business is you want to press over here where it says log in. Then you want to scroll down and press over here where it says having trouble. Then you'll see this option that says sign up. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and sign up using DraftKings if you never used it before. But if you already have a DraftKings account, then you can just go ahead and log into it and then begin placing your bets and stuff like that. But if you never used it before, then you guys will need to go ahead and actually input your information. You're going to need to input your email, phone number, username, and password. And you can go ahead and also include your promo code right here. So if you have one, if you have your promo code, that is exactly where you would go ahead and put it. And then afterwards, you will need to press on create account. So let me go ahead and actually fill in all this information quickly. And then I'm going to fill you in after I press over here where it says create account. All right. Afterwards, you're going to need to input more information about yourself, including your legal first and last name, date of birth, home address, and also the last 4 digits of your social security number. So please be prepared to enter this in. And this is just to verify that you're an actual human being and stuff like that. But anyways, I'll be right back with you guys once I'm done with this. All right, once you're done with that, make sure to agree to all the terms and conditions and then press on continue. And then you guys are then going to get like a checklist. I'll show you how to actually begin setting things up. So you can go ahead and put in like a check-in reminder, alerts, loss limit, deposit limit, etc. So let's go ahead and just select on set that up later. But that is basically the bare fundamental that you will need to do. And then check this out. You guys are able to go ahead and turn on notifications. And then there you go. Here we are. We're able to go ahead and actually now begin using the app. So if you guys want to actually go ahead and begin placing bets, you're going to need to deposit funds inside of DraftKings so that, of course, you're able to place the trades and stuff like that. So you want to go to the top menu and press over here where it says deposit. And then it's going to give you multiple various different ways that you're able to deposit funds. So you can do it through a online bank such as like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo's, etc. A debit card if you have one, Venmo, PayPal, etc. You can also input things like cash at retail or even a wire transfer, a gift card. But this is where you go ahead and begin depositing. And then afterwards, it's actually not too bad. All you need to do is you need to go ahead and actually look like towards what section you want to bet on. So for example, at the moment, of course, the World Cup is popping off. So you guys are able to go ahead and sort between match lines, stars, etc. So yeah, we can go ahead and begin placing our bets from here. But the main important thing is you want to make sure you deposit funds and stuff like that. Thankfully, DraftKings does make it relatively straightforward. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.